Good morning. How are you doing? I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're well. I hope you're doing good. Okay, so it's a new week and it's Monday. I kind of have like all of my activities sorted out, and today I'm very excited. I have a client that I'm supposed to go and do her makeup, and we also have a photo shoot on the side. And like I get excited when I have a new client and then we're doing photo shoots, so I get to have like a lot of content and stuff like that. So I'm going to be showing you guys, like taking you guys along with me throughout the day. So I'll show you guys a clip of how I pack for an outdoor makeup photo shoot. Every essentials that you need. And if you haven't seen my how to build your personal makeup kit, it's right here. Please click on that link here or here. It'll pop up. Just click on it and you'll be able to watch that. But don't forget, don't leave this video yet. I think after this video you can watch that one. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to show you guys my morning routine. Today. So, but first, music. Have you guys listened to this new song from Simi? I think it's trending everywhere. Simi and LIPBALM. The song is so dope. I love it. Like, so I have my speaker here. I jam up every time with this baby. Like, how my day went. Hi guys, so I'm back. I'm done with my shower and everything. So I did a little makeup. What I did was just brows, concealer under my eye, set it, powder, and lip balm. So I didn't really do so much. Alright, so I want to start prepping to head over there. Now if you're a beginner, I want to show you guys my makeup kit. This is the first one I got when I just started out. So if you're a freelance makeup artist and you're just starting out and you're looking to get a makeup kit, this is a really good makeup bag you can get. I know there are some bigger ones and better ones right now in the market, but if you don't have all that money, like, you can definitely invest. I think I got this for less than 10,000 naira when I was starting out, and you want to get colors that are they make you look professional. So I got black. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm already on my way to the photographer's studio, and I'm also going to wait for my client there. So I already put everything that I need in the kit, and I'll set off and then do a video and show you guys what everything is looking like. If I can, I'll film the makeup process, but if I cannot, I'll just show you guys the after look and some of the studio, because the studio is really fine. I hope you guys like it. So yeah. Oh my god, you guys, so we're here and this is Kenani's studio. Do you guys see that? It's so beautiful, and there's a pharmacy down here. So I'm going to walk towards the corner. I'm already at the studio and I have all of my products laid out on the table, so I'm going to flip the camera over and show you guys my essentials, like things that I packed for a photo shoot, a birthday photo shoot. So this is my brush belt. I have all my big brushes here, my blending brushes. They're not a lot, but this is what I carry out. And these are my eyeshadow palettes. You guys have seen me use this a lot. So this is a neutral palette. Always comes in handy, because sometimes, like this client I'm working on today, she requested for a nude makeup look, so that's why I brought this eyeshadow palette today. This is what it looks like. And this one is the Nuban Beauty. It's a really pretty eyeshadow palette. So let's talk skincare, okay? I have my cleanser here. I have my Mario Badescu. I have my moisturizer here. And very important for this shoot today, I'll be using this because it controls oil, it controls sweat, and they say it lasts longer. It makes makeup last longer under stressful performance. I have a video reviewing this product. I'll leave it here for you guys to watch that. And I'm also using my Skin Nivea setting spray today. because I want the makeup to last long. So I have some of my primers here, and I have some concealers, and these are my foundations I'll be using today. And yeah, powders. We're going to talk about powders. I have some high-end and some really affordable powder. My eyeshadow primer, my highlighter, and my blush, my mini blush palette is right here, you guys. And I also have the mini highlighter palette. I hope you guys can hear me anyway. So I just have everything laid out ready, and if I can, I'll be able to film. This is also a blush, but it's from Sleek. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah, that's what it looks like right there. It's such a pretty blush. I don't even know what. So when is your birthday exactly? 18. Okay. That's like next week, right?
Next week.
Okay. So you having like a party? Okay, you can't have party lockdown.
I'm not having anything. I'm just posting pictures.
Oh, that's nice. All right. So how did you find us? I was gonna ask.
Naga.
Oh.
I'm her friend and she tags you on pictures.
Oh,
So.
thank you. Okay, so close your eyes. Yeah. Okay, look. It's a video.
Okay.
Yeah. Look down. Over. Okay. This other side. Yeah. This side. Yeah.
I'm gonna borrow to get to you, to get to you.
This is the hardest thing ever to pick pictures.
As in, are they very much? So look at all the pictures.
Hi guys, so this is where my vlog will end because I'm done with the shoot and everything, and I'm about to head home. I'm just sitting out here and I'm going to try and edit the vlog and hopefully upload it for you guys to watch it. And yeah, I hope you were able to enjoy my vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed. Click the bell beside it so you get notification when I have new videos up. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.